Now, let's learn how we can group multiple routes in Laravel. Let's see, for example, in here, if I create a new route with the name URL of details slash students and create a callback function, then inside here, I will return just a text. This is student, and I will create another route for teachers. So, for example, route get details slash teachers. Now let's create our callback function, and in here let's return a text for the teacher. So this is teacher. Now if I go to my browser and enter this URL, so let's type here slash students details slash student and hit enter. I get this is student. And if I go to this URL, so let's copy this, paste it here, enter. I get this is teacher. But in here, if you guys notice, in both teacher and student, I have a prefix of details. So I can shorten my routes and group this two inside a group. So for that, we can write route colon colon prefix. Then we can prefix. Then we can type our prefix. In this case, it's details. So let's copy this from here and paste it in here. Then after that, we will type group, and inside our group, we will type our callback function. So we will type function. Then inside our function, we will just cut this two from here and paste it in here. Then we don't need the details. So let's delete details from here as well and from here as well. Now let's save both of them and let's go back to the browser. Let's refresh. We got this is teacher because we are hitting the teacher's URL. So if I type this students and enter, nothing has been changed. We are getting the result same as back. This is students. So this is how we can group multiple route with the same prefix inside a callback function in Laravel. Another thing we can do is we can also give our routes and name a human readable names for our each route. If I type here name and I say student, like string student details. This is now this is the name of this URL. We will learn how we can use this name. In here let's give this one also a name. So let's give this one a name of teachers dash details. So to give a URL name, you can use the name function in Laravel.